राधा कुंडं गिरिवरमोह राधिका मधवासं भक्तजस्यधीत कृपया श्रीगुरु तन्नतो रामी राधाम् आरभेन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरमस्ते गतिर्नका श्यामसुन्दरशिखण्डशेखरस्मिरः मुरलीमनोहर अनादिकार्षिकमं कृपानिधे सप्रियाचरण किङ्करीं कुरु श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
First of all, I offer my respectful obeisance unto the lotus feet of Sri Nitalila Prashtava Vishnupada Ashtottara Shata Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and also Nitalila Prashtava Vishnupada Ashtottara Shata Shri Srimad Srila Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, offering my respectful obeisance unto the lotus feet of my Guru Vargas. Then also Nitalila Prashtava Vishnupada Ashtottara Shata Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and Shripad Madhav Maharaj, and also Shripad Narsingh Maharaj. All assembled devotees, I offer my respectful obeisance unto you. Today, this is pure and auspicious moment we are here today. Today is very important day that our lives and lifetimes pious activity has come up. So at this auspicious time, residing very close to the Shuddha Bhakta, Lord Krishna's Ladini Shakti, internal potency, who has pleasure potency of Lord Krishna. Today is her birthday. Today is her appearance day. So today we are all very fortunate enough, because today we have come is Ashtami Tithi, the 8th day of Bhadrapada Mas, Shukla Paksa. So Srimati Radhika's Avirbhav Tithi we are here to celebrate today. So we just recently heard of Sri Radha Tattva by Sri Narsingh Maharaj. In Golak Vrindavan Dham, Krishna was thinking, this Chit Jagat, transcendental world, Jeev Jagat, and Mayik Jagat, material world, I have created, and also these bounded souls, I only have created all them, and through my potency of Maya, they have been bewildered. In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned that through my Mayik potency, all the jivas have been bewildered and they have forgotten me. So in this way, Krishna started to think. In Upanishad it said, all the jivis are my sons. So Krishna is also saying that I always live in the transcendental world of Nitya Goloka Vrindavan Dham. So Krishna started to think that how can I take back all these jivas to my transcendental world? While thinking this again and again, in Krishna's heart there was a feeling appeared. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Shukdev Goswami Pad explaining from one shloka, Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manusham Dehamashritam Bhajate Tadrusha Krida Jashutva Tatpayo Bhavet. Shukdev Goswami Pad telling, O Maharaj Parikshit, the Lord Krishna himself, to bestow his mercy from Shri Golok Vrindavan Dham, transcendental world, along with his parikar, along with his servants, Gop, Gopi, Govardhan, everyone. So he will come, appear here in this material Vrindavan and does beautiful pastimes. So whoever remember this, think this, speak this, they will be liberated from this world and they will attain the supreme transcendental world. Jai. So Krishna is thinking this only. So through the help of Yog Maya, he manifested the Dham. So Krishna also thinking that I alone cannot go. I want to go along with my Pran Pritama Srimati Radhika. So Lord Krishna started to speak with Srimati Radhika. Oh Radhe, listen, we all are going to the material world and we are going to perform the beautiful pastimes like this. So Radharani said, where there is no Giriraj Govardhan, where there is no Yamuna, where there is no Gop Gopi, I will not come there. So Krishna started to say, hey Radhe, do not worry. Through the help of my Yoga Maya, I will arrange everything there. Only you have to just appear in the material world. So and finally Radharani accepted Lord Krishna's word and said him, O my love and soul Krishna, I will go to this material world, but without the darshan of yours, I will not open my eyes. Krishna said, okay, that so happened. So for this story, our Acharya Pad has mentioned in many Puranas, like Vyasdev ji has mentioned Radha's appearance in many different Puranas. As Kalpa Bedeshu Harikatha, so Shri Vyasdev ji mentions this beautiful Leelas in different Puranas. Bhavishya Puran, Padma Puran, Brahma Puran, Brahma Vyavarta Puran. In many Puranas he has mentioned this Radharani's appearance. So today is the appearance day of Srimati Radhika. This material world will keep the fasting and they worship the demigods. So that day they will hear the story of the demigods. So today we are going to hear only the appearance pastime of Srimati Radhika. As I said before, Kalpa Vedeshu Harikatha, Srimati Radhika appeared in different places. In some Kalpa, she appeared from the fire. In some Kalpa, Sri Radhika appeared in Barsana, in Vrishabhanupur. In Vrishabhanu Sarovar, she appeared. In some Kalpa, Srimati Radhika also appeared from the golden egg. So these are all mentioned in Shastras. So this Kalpa story is mentioned here. In 28th Chatur Yuga, seventh Manvantara, in this Kalpa, Radharani's birth secret is mentioned. Radharani appeared in the holy dham called Raval. So our Acharya Pad mentioning here in this Katha, you all are heard that Lord Krishna appeared in Gokul in the house of Nanda Maharaj And Nand Maharaj was also very happy, and he performed his children's, he performed his child's birthday, Jai Kanhaiya Lal ki, very grandly. So like that, Nand Maharaj celebrated Krishna's appearance day. Although Narad Rishi was the known everything, he just started to think that Supreme Lord Krishna has appeared in So Gokul. So and obviously his Ladini Shakti Swarupini Srimati Radhika will also have been taken birth in the Vraj. The meaning of Vraj is Vrajayati, Chalayati, Gamayati iti Brajaha. Moving from one place to another is called Braj. Because all these Brajvasis have the main occupation as cow handling. So sometimes grass is less, sometimes grass is more. So when the grass is low, they will move for the another place. Like Nanda, Yashoda and all, they used to stay at Nandagaon. And after a few days, they left Nandagaon and they went to Gokul. When Nand Maharaj was staying in Nand Maharaj, his friend Vrishabhanu Maharaj was in Barsana. When Nand Maharaj came to Gokul, then Vrishabhanu Maharaj also he left Barsana and came to Raval and started to stay there. Narad Muni started to think where Radharani has been appeared. So one day wandering here and there, Narad Mushi, he came to Raval. It was a desire of Sri Yogamaya that day in the morning when Vrishabhanu Maharaj, like he was doing on his daily duties in the morning times, taking bath in Yamuna. Vrishabhanu Maharaj, when he was taking bath, after the bathing finished, he just came up from the branch of Yamuna. So he also saw that on the river of Yamuna there was a lotus, 1,000-petal lotus, and above that lotus there was a beautiful girl, small child girl. It was so beautiful, her beautiful face. So where Srimati Radhika personally present there, appeared there, our Acharya Pad mentions here that all the nature also became so beautifully. Like when Krishna appeared in this world, the nature also became so beautiful. In the same way, when Sri Radhika appeared, the nature also became very beautiful. Yamuna water got stunned. So from both the ways of Yamuna, many trees appeared itself due to happiness. Yogamaya appeared all these trees. So in all the trees there was very beautiful flowers, Madhvi, Malati and many types of flowers, where the bumblebees were starting to roam, and the bees, honey bees are also going there. So they are all making sound. What they are making sound? Jai Radhe, Jai Radhe, Premamay Radhe, Radhe ki Jai. They are all not bumblebees and honeybees. They are all the transcendental and spiritual sages who took the form of these bumblebees and honeybees, and they are just saying the glories in this form. Many types of water living beings, birds, deers and all started to move very happily. Even the swans. In Yamuna there are so many different kinds of white color birds. Not only white, red, yellow, green, many types of birds.
झनी करने लगी।
hen peacock and female peacock started to dance, and cuckoo birds started to make sounds.
और वृक्ष के ऊपर मधुमक्खी की छाता जो है लग गया है और अपने आप को सहज
And and from the honeybee's nest,
राधा जी के
honey is also dripping out of love.
कैसे हो गया आनंद की
So at the time of appearance of Srimati Radhika, everyone's heart was filled with bliss. So at that time, Sri Vishwanu Maharaj saw the small kid Srimati Radhika. So for Krishna also they say, when Krishna सहस्रदल पद्मस्य कुटेशयानम्.
ठीक उसी प्रकार श्रीमती राधिका देखो अपने बाएं हाथ के द्वारा
So Srimati Radhika also, through her
और
right hand, she is holding her toy, leg toy, and sucking it. It was so beautiful effulgence. What can we explain the beauty?
सारी दिशाओं को मानो
And her body effulgence
तप्त कंचन
was spreading all the four directions.
के घुंघराले वाले बाल जो है यशोदाम जी से लाल है।
And her beautiful curly hairs,
करते हैं
so beautiful.
ऐसे लगेगा जिन्हों हजार जो है मधुमक्खी के द्वारा परिवेष्टित राधा जी की मुखारविंद कैसे
So it was appearing like her hairs was appearing like thousands and thousands bumblebees, as if they are all attracted there. It was so curly, and the beautiful face of Radharani was like a beautiful moon. So by having this beautiful darshan of Srimati Radhika, Vishwanu Maharaj was stunned.
रागिनी शक्ति के दर्शन करने से क्या हो जाता है एक महाभारत
So by the darshan of Sri Hladini Shakti,
रागिनी शक्ति स्वरूप के दर्शन से प्रेम
just appears, just by the darshan of Sri Mahabhagavat, the love appears in our heart. And what is the scene there? Vishwanu Maharaj was stunned there by seeing the Lord's internal potency, Sri Hladini Shakti, Srimati Radhika, and tears started to flow from the eyes.
से अपने भाव को जो है गोपन करके
And by hiding his bow, he took the
भुजाओं के साथ
he took the baby from both the arms.
शरीर जो है
Her body was very soft,
अपने छाती पर लगाया
and he placed it on his chest.
लगाते हैं
So our Rup Goswami Pad says, Vrishabhanu Dhadi Nava Shashi Reke Lalita Saki Guna Ramita Vishake.
मानो विश्वभानु महाराज जब अपने
So Vrishabhanu Maharaj, when he saw the small kid on the chest, he placed it on the chest.
क्या
So Rup Goswami Pad is telling here, how is the Vrishabhanu Maharaj heart? Vrishabhanu Maharaj heart is like the ocean,
नवीन चंद्रमा
and Radhaji was like the Navin Chandrama, like a new full moon. Like Vrishabhanu Maharaj's ocean, heart is compared to ocean, and Srimati Radhika is compared to the moon which is rising from the ocean.
पत्नी कीर्तिका देवी के
After that, he handed over the Radhika to Srimati Kirtida, his wife.
और इसके पश्चात ठीक नारद ऋषि
So
आए,
later,
इस समय
Narad Muni came at that time.
विश्वभानु महाराज के
Narad Muni started to say,
संतान संतति हुई
today do you get any kid?
महाराज विचार
Vishwanu Maharaj said, what should I say?
बोले, हाँ, एक पुत्र संतान
Yes, I got one
को दिखाया त्रिकालज्ञ ऋषि नारद ऋषि
one
बोले,
boy. He's called Sridham.
पुत्री हुई
He said, do you have any woman, child girl?
किंतु वो पुत्री कैसे हुई
So, and our eyes was closed.
कृष्ण के बोले ये कृष्ण के जब तक दर्शन नहीं करेंगे
So Radharani has previously said that until and unless I have darshan of you, I will not open the eyes. So Vrishabhanu Maharaj think that this is a great sage. If he has some kripa, so that my child will get eyes, her eyes will get opened. So
जो है विश्वभानु महाराज
So Vishwanu Maharaj
पुत्री राधिका
gave Srimati Radhika, he gave darshan of Srimati Radhika to Narad Muni.
नारद ऋषि भाव में
By seeing this, Narad Muni became exact,
जब संतति वाचन के सारे
became absorbed in bhav. So Narad Muni said, I will do Swasti Vachan to your kid. please go and get some materials like agaru, chandan,
जो है
camphor and many other things. So Vrishabhanu Maharaj started to collect all these paraphernalias. So Narad Rishi and this small kid were alone. So while seeing, all the Ashtasakis appeared in front of Sri Radhika, Sri Narad Muni. Even Radharani also appeared in the form of 16 years old girl. So Lalita Devi started to say, hey, Narad Rishi, start to play to Sri Radhika. That time Narad Muni is praying this prayer. So in this way, Sri Narad Muni started to say Stuti of Sri Radhika. So Vrishabhanu Maharaj meantime bought all the paraphernalias and all the Ashtasakis and disappeared. And Radhika became normal as a small kid. Then as per his duty of sadhu, he did Swasti Vachan and blessed Srimati Radhika. And also said that very shortly your kid will get eyes. So Narad Muni started to play his veena and he started to move. Later after this, Sri Nand Maharaj and Yashoda Maya started to speak that we heard that Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Kirtidas Putri they have got a small kid, so we should go and have darshan. So Ma Yashoda took Lord Krishna along with her and went to Vrishabhanu Maharaj's place. So they started to speak each other. Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Nand Maharaj started to speak about their daughter. So they did not give any special attention to Krishna. So Krishna was thinking about Sri Radhika. In which room Srimati Radhika Rani was placed? In the same room he went. In the ears of Srimati Radhika, Lord Krishna said, Hey Radhe, hey my heart and soul, open your eyes, I have come. So by saying like this, Srimati Radhika opened her eyes and had the darshan of Lord Krishna. And after this, as per the Lok Leela, Srimati Radhika started to cry like a small baby. So by hearing this, Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Kirtida Devi came and become mesmerized that Radharani had opened her eyes, and then they celebrated a big party. So today is the auspicious appearance day of Srimati Radhika. Beautiful time today, Srimati Radhika's appearance day, and we have to hear today whole day we will hear about the auspicious glories of Srimati Radhika. Jai Dandat Pranam.